Yo, FNF Haitian Jew, you did? Hey, you already know how we coming, man. Hey, yo, hey, man. Bitch ass nigga, fuck for the right one, you did? You know what I'm saying? You already know we coming, man. Pussy ass nigga, hoe ass nigga, fuck nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yo, you know how we coming. Yo, post your fire on the gram, nigga, you ain't gon' buzz. Use that bitch and get caught, now nigga, you dumb as fuck. Post your fire on the gram, nigga, you ain't gon' buzz. Flexing all them damn blues like you can't get touched. Post your fire on the gram, nigga, you ain't gon' buzz. Better know how to use it when them niggas pull up. Post your fire on the gram, nigga, you ain't gon' buzz. Catch your bitch ass in traffic and light your ass up. I can't hang around them niggas floss too much. I can't hang around them niggas talk too much. Haitian Jew hit the mall, I think you bought too much. You can't wear these t-shirts, I think they cost too much. I just left Millennium Mall and blew all my bread. Shot your girl a few dollars a touch on my head. Real niggas, we don't ask, we know how to play it. She don't want them little 20s, she want blue ones instead. Read up, lil' Jew done read up. Bitch, I'm teed up, lil' bitch, I'm teed up. Beat up, don't get here beat up. Fee up, I put my feet up. Bitch, I'm a man now, just put your hand down. I ain't asking for a hand now, acting like a little fan now. Poppin' burgers his hands now, they be wearing the Vans now. Sell the pussy on cam now, soak it up like a sham wow.